Hi, Namaste. In the previous video, we discussed about the dynamic viscosity. Dynamic viscosity. Dynamic viscosity. That is tau equal to mu into du by dy. That is from this mu equal to tau by du by dy. We know the units are here Newton second per meter square. Now we have to learn about the dimensional formula MLT. So here Newton means kg meter per second square, and S is the second by meter square. Then it can be simply written as kg meter second power minus 1 meter power minus 2. Then it will become so kg meter power minus 1 second power minus 1. Here it is the 1 second power minus 1. So here m l t, mass is having the coefficient of 1, length is having the coefficient of minus 1, time is the coefficient, power coefficient of minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for the dynamic viscosity. Dimensional formula for the dynamic viscosity. Now let us discuss about the kinematic viscosity. What is kinematic viscosity? Kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is the ratio of dynamic viscosity and density of the fluid. Density of the fluid. So here the symbolic representation is V equal to kinematic viscosity is represented by V. So dynamic viscosity is mu, dynamic viscosity is mu, and density of the fluid is rho. Density of the fluid is rho. So this is the kinematic viscosity relation. Mu equal to mu by rho. V equal to mu by rho. It is the formula. So kinematic viscosity is the ratio of dynamic viscosity and density of the fluid. Dynamic viscosity and density of the fluid. So to find out the units, we know from this I'm considering V equal to mu by rho. Mu means mu having the units of Newton second per meter square, and the density having the units of kg per meter cube. So to know the units, I'm considering its dimensions. Its dimensions means suppose Newton is nothing but the force. S is the time. So I am taking T, time, by meter square means length, L square. So Ft by L square. By kg means that is mass. By meter cube means L cube. Okay. By its simplification, Ft by L square into L cube by M. From that we can write Ft L. F means what? Here we are again modifying Ft L cube by L square M. So I'm considering F means force. Force is having the unit of Newton. Newton means kg meter per second square. So kg meter per second square means again kg means mass. m. M means small m means here meter means length by time. Time is nothing but t square. So second is nothing but t square. So it can be written as ml t power minus 2. ml t power minus 2. So from that we can write it as force means ml by t square ml t power minus 2 t by l square into l cube by m. By the simplification, we get l square by t. L square by t. By the simplification, we get L square by t. So from this, we can remember this one, L square by t. L means what? Length. Length means here meter square by t means second. So the units for the kinematic viscosity, meter square per second or centimeter square per second, meter square per second or centimeter square per second. And the dimensional formula is here L square by T means actually MLT. L means L square, T power minus 1, M power 0. There is no mass. So this is also one important bit. Here up to now, we are considering four objective bits. That is kinematic viscosity definition is it is the ratio of dynamic viscosity and the density of the fluid, and its formula it is V equal to mu by rho. Its units are meter square per second and centimeter square per second, and dimensional formula m power 0 L square T power minus 1, t power minus 1. Now, here one more unit for the kinematic viscosity. Another unit is there. Suppose if you consider the dynamic viscosity unit is the poise. Dynamic viscosity unit is the poise. Whereas for the kinematic viscosity, there is a special unit that is called as the Stoke. It is called as Stoke. Stoke is the unit for the kinematic viscosity. It is also one important competitive examination question. One Stoke. What is the Stoke? Stoke in terms of what? One Stoke equal to 1 centimeter square per second. One Stoke is nothing but 1 centimeter square per second. In terms of meter square seconds, 10 power minus 4 meter square per second. One Stoke equal to 10 power minus 4 meter square per second. 10 power minus 4 meter square per second, and one Stoke equal to 1 centimeter square per second. These are the 6 important objective questions are there. Kinematic viscosity is the ratio of dynamic viscosity and density of the fluid. Its formula is V equal to mu by rho. Its dimensional formula is ml square t power minus 1. Its unit is meter square per second or centimeter square per second. So 1 centimeter square per second equal to 1 Stoke. Stoke is also the unit of the kinematic viscosity. So it is the complete data about the kinematic viscosity.